time wasting it. This. I'm honking at this car, not you.
No, he's not allowed to park there, mate.
Exactly, that's why I was telling my customer. It's been fined as well.
He's been fined and all,
That's good, he deserves it.
He reversed into my truck one day, twice he hit my truck. He's a fucking knobhead. Seriously,
Thanks
mate.
for saying that.
Yeah, I don't know whether you
That's
can get,
alright.
can you get through it?
No, it's very tight for the car. Yeah, I did measure it though. Is it okay? Just a little bit. Thank you. Thank you. Okay. Here he is. He's back. You just pick the ticket off the screen. Yeah, you deserve it. Oh. Wow, man. Wow. Could be the ticket reaction.